welcome to the next tutorial. Today we're going to go over something fun, how to change your little achievements or your successes, the award sound. So I'm not really let me show you. It makes it so much easier. So you have your achievements, your goals or your achievements down here, and they make a sound. So there goes my sound for if you gain an XP, and if you gain a double XP, you hear double ka-ching. So I want to change those. So we're going to go back to the courses, and I'm going to go into the course where I want to change. It is not global. It's to each course. And then we're going to go down to where it says design your course experience. So we're going to go there. And then we go to sound effects. We'll do the course completion and after purchase at another day. But it's basically the same. You choose what you want, but we will go over those later. So for now, we're going to go to XP sound effects and double XP sound effects. And basically, you just pick one. Let's do sparkle. Let's see what sparkle sounds like. Or you could do gong. Or you could do, let's see, what's a jazzy flute sound like? And the last one we'll listen to for right now, we'll do woohoo. That has to be what it sounds like. That's pretty much it. And so we're going to pick for the XPs, we're going to pick wahoo woohoo. And for the double XPs, we will do, let's see what short fanfare sounds like. Oh, no, I don't want short fanfare. I like it, but that's not what I want. I want something really exciting. So we will do, so many choices. Oh well, we're just gonna pick one. We'll do the fanfare. That's good enough for showing you. So okay, we have those chosen. That is basically it. So I'm gonna go back to the membership page. Let me refresh because I'm sure the old ones are stuck in there. Okay, so now hopefully we'll hear the new sounds when it loads. Watching it in circles like I always do. Okay, that wasn't that bad. So now we're going to hear, woohoo! There goes the woohoo. And if we go to the double XP, we have that. I kind of like that. Anyway, so it's super easy. You can put your own sounds in as well. Let me quickly go back where it says this. Go back down. If you have your own sound, you could do it. Use custom sound effects. You click right there, and then you upload your sound. So it's super simple, super fun, and it just makes it such a great experience. Anyway, that is it for this tutorial. If you have any questions, please leave comments or questions in the notes below. And if you can, subscribe, and we will see you in the next video.